Today we're going to talk about polygons. Some of you were at school for this lesson and some of you were not, so we're going to review it. A polygon is a flat shape with multiple or many sides. The word poly means many. If I do this, that's not a polygon, that's one line. This has 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides, that's many. So we would call a triangle a polygon. There are different types of polygons. One polygon we would call regular. A regular polygon is the kind of polygon where all sides are equal. So let's pretend this is a nicely drawn one. This side, let's say, is 1 centimeter. This side would also be 1 centimeter. This would be 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter. A regular polygon has all equal sides. Irregular polygons are much easier to draw because they have many sides, but they don't have to be the same length. So I might say that this, because it's irregular, if I measured it with a ruler, maybe this is 1 centimeter. This maybe is 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters. I already know that because there are 3 different measurements, that it's going to be irregular. I don't even have to measure these because I know these 3 sides are not equal. Another thing that we talked about was with polygons, they have different names. So if a polygon has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we use the word penta, which means 5. Pentagon would mean a 5-sided shape. You'll also notice that the 5-sided shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. So the pentagon has 5 angles, and the pentagon has 5 sides. If I were to draw a decagon, I would do how many sides? That's right, 10. So if I draw a decagon, I would draw a shape with 10 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That has 10 sides. Let's see how many angles it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The decagon has 10 sides and 10 angles. Now we're going to look at this pentagon for the next part. Do you remember talking about vertices? A vertice is where 2 lines meet. This is the vertice right here. Okay, so let's count the vertices of the pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we see here with the pentagon there's 5 sides, 5 angles, and 5 vertices. Usually with each of these polygons, in our math work, the vertices actually have names. They're labeled with letters like L, M, N, O, and P. So if I look at the vertice of P, I'm looking at this spot right there. If I asked you to give me a name for the pentagon with letters, you wouldn't just say it's a pentagon. You would say it's pentagon L, M, N, O, P. It could also, if not LMNOP, be called MNOPL. 5 letters, 5 sides, 5 angles, 5 vertices. It's a pentagon. How many of you have seen a sign like this one? This sign is a polygon. Can you count how many sides there are and tell me what the actual name of a stop sign is? What's the name of this type of shape? Look at it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 sides. What do we call a polygon with 8 sides? Think about the creature in the ocean. We call the 8-legged creature an octopus. We call this an octagon. This should set you up for your work today.